Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move apps icon on Android. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you want to move the icons on your Android to organize them? Luckily, this is an easy process, and in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to move, how to organize your apps icon on your phone. So first, if you want to move icons on your home screen, you can just tap and hold on the app that you want to move. For example, I will move Messenger. So you can just tap on Messenger, tap and hold. And now you can just slide this icon to the place that you want to move this icon. Maybe for example, I want to add this app to this folder. So you can just slide it to this folder. So the apps will be moved to this folder. And you can also do for the same thing for the other apps. Maybe you want to do like this. So simple, right? You can also move the folder, not only the apps. So simple, right? So that is how to organize, how to move apps on your Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!